slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? IRV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at these off-white Jordan 4s in the Bred colorway. These are from Shenda. They are UA. If you don't fuck with UA rep products, you can click out the video right now. It's that easy. With that being said, if you're new to the channel and you do like what you see, make sure to show your boy some love. Drop a like, turn on notifications, subscribe to the channel, and last but not least, follow my Instagram at IRV Stuff TV. Link is always in the description. And yeah, man, let's just get into it. So these took about a week and a half to get here, give or take, with DHL. There's all the information for the seller. So you got the Yupoo right there, the Instagrams as well. There's 2 Instagrams, and then the WhatsApp right there as well. So that's all the information for this seller. Shenda's been good. I've been rocking with them for a while. Good seller. I don't condone buying any of the stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine. Just showing y'all what I get for what I pay. So yeah, let's put the shoes to the side real quick. This is the box that it comes with, just the regular Jordan 4 box that we are used to with the off-white 4s that we've seen with the sales as well. There's a size tag, suggested retail, and yeah, pretty much it. So inside of the box, nothing crazy going on either. Just a red box. You get some StockX stuff. So you get this little sheet, a little StockX sticker, and then Jumpman right there with some off-white plastic. Nothing crazy. So throw a box to the side real quick. Look at the shoes. Start with the left pair, has more going on. So you can see you get the little StockX tag right there as well. But yeah, overall, not too big of a difference between this pair and the last pair I got. I don't think. I didn't compare them side by side, but this pair looks good. So we'll see when these release how they look. Off-white CO Nike C2020 zip tie. Got the deconstructed look all over the shoe. You got the little, oh man, went inside the shoe, hold up. Got the little thing right here in black, air. Got the Jumpman as well on that shoe. Nothing crazy going on, but yeah, you guys can just see it's a quick little overview. I already reviewed a pair, so yeah, but this is what we're expecting when they drop. So got the little Air Jordan underneath the tongue, Nike Air on the insole, Nike Air on the back, and that translucent pull tab. Stitching straight all over the shoe, so that's nice to see. On this side, off-white for Nike Jordan 4, Beaverton, Oregon, USA. Same thing we've been used to. Air bubbles nice on these as well. Got the netting going all the way up to the tongue. You can see the stitching is really good all over the shoe. So yeah, overall, dope shoe. Bottom, you guys already know what's popping with this. The paint is a little messy here, so yeah, it's the only thing I noticed is just some paint bleeding. Besides that, looks good. So yeah, that's the left shoe. You got the right shoe right here, same deal. Comes with 3 sets of laces, so you got a red, white, and cream. Don't know what the retail pair is going to come with, honestly, but guess we'll have to see. Got the air in quotations as well, so looks proper. Text over here, same thing. Back of the shoe. Inside, tongue, there y'all go. Everything you need to see for the most part. Bottom of the shoe on this one, there we go. The Nike on this one looks much better and cleaner, but it's a bottom of the shoe, so it's bound to get dirty anyways and scuffed up. Doesn't really matter a whole lot anyways. So yeah, man, overall, that's pretty much it, guys. Not gonna take long with this review. Already reviewed a pair, and besides, I just want to make my videos quicker, snappier, and to the point. So you guys let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Are you gonna try to copy these when they come out? This, that, and the other. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at RVStuffTV. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And with that being said, guys, stay safe, stay healthy, stay blessed, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.